So I've been riding with the Dougz Custom Spartan Mini with the 3-up attachment for a few hours now, and I have no complaints with it. I've done some miles on the freeway, and I also done some country miles like this and city riding. I would say it's best for your city riding and country mile rides. After a while on the freeway, you might get a little fatigued from the wind just because it's not a little bit taller. If it was a little bit taller like the 6-up, then you're definitely going to get maximum wind protection. But this one definitely does its job, and you're definitely going to get some added wind protection on it with the 3-up on the Spartan Mini. So the 3-up is going to be a great add-on windscreen for your Spartan Mini. It definitely does add some wind protection to your Spartan Mini. The wind right now, I'm going 70 miles an hour, and I have pretty much no wind at my chest. It's just kind of wrapping around these edges and it's hitting me. I would say it's starting, the wind starts up about my eye level, and I wear a full face, so that does not bother me at all. So if you guys don't wear a full face, that could affect you. If you guys are shorter than me, if you guys are taller than me, that could all play a factor in how this one affects your riding style. Doing a pull like that, I feel pretty much no wind, and I can get away with that for quite a while. On the freeway, it's going to be a little different just because it's going to be a constant wind, and obviously after a while you're going to get a little fatigued from that. So riding on the freeway right now, 80 miles an hour, I'm getting a decent amount of wind at my chest and my head, but it is not unbearable, and you could definitely do some miles with the Spartan Mini with the 3-up attachment on the freeway. It's definitely going to be a lot better than the Spartan Mini alone with no attachment. Up, me personally, I would be taking this one on rides just like I am now, doing country rides, doing short rides on the freeway, and doing city rides. As far as the 6-up windscreen, that one I would take long distance riding without a question. I would take that one rides like this that I'm doing right now, and I would say they are both great options. It just depends on your riding style and what you're doing. Personally, if you do a lot of freeway riding and you're looking for some added wind protection on that, and you do a lot of hours on the freeway, then get the 6-up. But honestly, I could do a few hours with this one and have no issues. Between the 6-up and the 3-up, I'm definitely loving both of them. Each one has its own benefits, each one has its own cons, so I might possibly make another video comparing both of them, but this one is mostly just the 3-up. I've had little to no issues just cruising around with the Spartan Mini alone, so these added windscreens are definitely going to help you guys out with getting your ride a little bit longer and blocking a little bit more of the wind. I've done quite a few long trips with the Spartan Mini with no windscreen, so I definitely feel a difference in my chest and in my head. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to keep on riding and testing out these windscreens for Dougz Customs, and I will get you guys another comparison video in the future.